Welcome to DPV, I'm Josh. Today we're going to tear into this 454. My plan is to do a budget build on this 454 for the Ghetto Glider, my 69 Impala. So I picked this thing up for cheap. Supposedly it's a runner, but we shall see. So basically just want to tear it down to the short block, maybe pull some main caps off, measure everything out, see what the cylinder walls look like, see what the valve train looks like, so I can start making a parts list. Hopefully we can just do like a re-ring on it, but we'll see once we get those heads off. It's got a valve train, so that's good. Oh man, that's heavy. Cam looks good as far as I can tell, but I plan on replacing the cam anyway. I want to do, like an Edelbrock. Plan is to use these heads. They are the peanut port heads, which isn't the best, but it's what I got right now, and they are made for torque, so that'd be cool to have a torquey motor. If you ever watch that, I think it's Richard Holdner or something, he does all kinds of dyno tests on all different motors, and he did a test with peanut port heads, and it was pretty impressive. And I might go that route, and I can always swap the heads later. So, all right, let's pull this valve train off. All right, so I'm most likely going to be reusing all the rockers and stuff unless I find a good deal on Marketplace on something else. But basically you want to make sure that these all go back in the same spot. So I'm going to put the driver's side down first, and I just mark the front and I'll lay them out. And then I'll lay like a rag or something on top and put the passenger side down. Alright, so now we're to the point. It's really going to tell us what we need on this motor. Just a whole row of head bolts over here. Should make it a little easier. Oh yeah. Oh man. Oh, right there a little bit. There's like no ridge. That is so cool. Flat top pistons, I didn't know that. It's probably still low compression, but yeah. It's dirty. Look at that. I feel like that's good. Valves look decent. I think we got a solid rig to build here. Yeah, that's not a ridge there, that's just carbon. That is awesome. Right on, we'll get the other one off. I don't know if you can see it in there. There's a little bit of rust. Pitting. I might need to at least hone it, re-ring it, which is fine. Don't think I'm going to buy new pistons though. I think just a hone and re-ring will be good. So, all right, got to pull this balancer and then flip her over, pull the pan off and measure those. At least look at the bearings and maybe measure the journals and whatnot. I had to get a little creative on my puller here because these are fine thread bolt holes. So I just went with a smaller size and bolted all the way through. Worked out pretty good. Alright, throw some cardboard on the ground, flip her over. She's got antifreeze in it. Sweet. So I'll just get her over with. Oh yeah, cardboard worked great. There we go. That'll do. That'll do, pig. That'll do. Okay. Timing chain's really loose. Loosey goosey. Holy cow. This one here's got some grooves in it, so probably need to have the crank turned. Rather just do it and have it work first time. Come on, baby. Bigger wrench. Oh, that's not good. Well, definitely gonna have to turn the crank. It spun a main bearing, which is why this thing was shut down. So definitely will be tearing this thing all the way down. It's all good. Glad I pulled that one off. Does that mean this is toast then? Brick. Might have to be line board. This block might be junk. I don't know. We'll find out. All right. Well, had lunch and talked to Alex, talked to my dad, talked to my father-in-law about this engine. Kind of debating what I should do. What do you guys think I should do? Should I build it? It's going to be $500 and machine work minimum, and that's if I don't bore the cylinders. Just to get that, crank turn, get it line board, cam bearings, that kind of stuff. And then I found out that since this is a Gen 5, it doesn't have provisions for mechanical fuel pump. So I don't really want to run that in the Impala. I like having the mechanical pump. I like having the simplicity of that car. Like, it's so simple and just reliable in that aspect. And then plus it's got the one-piece rear main, so it takes a special pan for that. So I'm not sure that I could even find a pan that fits the Impala and this block. So kind of leaning towards punting this thing, but what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Should I build this or not? Kind of leaning towards not. So anyway, thanks for watching. Today, day of pain. Dang rod bearing. All right, wheel it, wreck it, wrench it, repeat. We'll see you next time.